All right, now this is crypto bubbles. So the bubble slot, they look good. They look good, I mean, Bitcoin is doing well, and the bubbles, crypto bubbles, they look well. Let's go to the top 100 coins. It's always recommended to go to the top 100 coins first, before you can go to anything else. And when you look at the daily time frame, of course, guys, everything has to be in green because the big boys, the big daddy is up. But there are some coins here that haven't been doing well today because I think these coins have been pumping, earlier. If you like AGIX for the past week, it has been up 31, 35, 37, 39%. For the month, it's up 170%. I think this is because of NVIDIA. This is Singularity AI. I think it's because of NVIDIA. And for the hour, it's down 1%. So I think that's the reason why we don't see AGIX doing so well. Maybe Blur as well, not doing well. Okay, Blur actually for the week is down this amount. So I think this could be an opportunity, to accumulate this coin Blur. I'm going to check it out afterward. But now let's go to the big daddy. First of all, I want us to look at this like let's look at this liquidity heat map here because I want us to see where Bitcoin is at right now. And let me see. Okay, now this is a liquidity heat map, and this is where Bitcoin is. And actually, what I want you guys to look at here when it comes to this liquidity heat map, is the different areas where we have orders in the market. The areas where we have orders in the market, it tells us where we can get a reversal from the market. You can see right above there, we saw that Bitcoin hits 55,000, and Bitcoin now is sitting at the VWAP. And looking at the fact that Bitcoin is sitting at the VWAP, we might be expecting Bitcoin to actually stay above the VWAP and make it raise somehow. Like I think it might form a W here. You can see it's looking at maybe you want to form a Bitcoin to form a W there. So if that's the case, then we can expect Bitcoin to move upward. In like, let me say the next 3 days. This is just Monday, and because this is just Monday, I think we can easily see more upside for Bitcoin, before the week is over. And this is good, guys, because if we are able to see more upside for Bitcoin, it's gonna be good for us long term, right? For altcoin, because the idea here is for us to be able to accumulate as much as we can these altcoins, because these altcoins, they are actually going to be the coins to make us really really good profits. So looking at this liquidation heat map here, I would say that the area or the zones that Bitcoin is going to be trading, is going to be around this zone here. Let me see this green area, this price range. This is the lowest price level. It's around let's say about 53,400, and also the highest level is about 55,000. So you can see that's the area, that's the range that Bitcoin is going to be trading. I think for the next for the whole of this week. I don't know if say Bitcoin is not able to hit go straight to 58,000. Let's go and see quickly what we have up there, guys. I'm gonna do this quickly and take out this chart, because I think it's freezing my OBS studio. So I just want you guys to see the range right now where we have orders. We have orders at $55,000. You can see here around 55,500. We have orders here. We also, if we go right up, there are no more orders here up. We just have the free ride to go right up to about 58 or 58,000, as I mentioned. You can see that is it up there. When if Bitcoin break this zone, the only area here that we have resistance is this 56,000 zone. So I think looking at Bitcoin for the long term, we should expect Bitcoin to move in that range. So guys, I'm gonna take off this liquidity. This is my chart, and then we go to now the other aspect of what I got for you guys today. I think this is has been freezing my OBS, so I'm gonna take it so I can get more data to work with. I'm gonna exit this right now, and then focus on the chart. So let's go back to the chart for us to discuss more on what is going on here with Bitcoin. So let's dive into this. Now we are back with this liquidation heat map. Sorry, we are back with this crypto bubble. Now let's go to like I want us to look at different areas in the market so that we can actually like deduce what Bitcoin is doing and where we might expect Bitcoin to go from where Bitcoin is right now. So this is actually Bitcoin right now, and we can see that vector candles are being formed. So, guys, this is gonna be a critical area. Like if Bitcoin is gonna hit the $58,000, it's gonna be a critical area, and we might see a quick reversal of price to the downside. So you have to be cautious as you look at your altcoins. You can see it's not too far away from, like, you can see that's $60,000 up there, so it's not too far away from where price is right now. And you can see that the market makers, they are building their shorts right now. You know, they are going to come and claim this liquidity, as I can see here, you know. And this could be this could also be maybe like a way forming a head and shoulder pattern, but I don't think that's the case. I think this is gonna go to 58,000 or $60,000. That's my target. And if we go to the daily 5 days time frame, we're gonna notice something here. Like the reason I keep insisting about all this stuff is because of this area. Yeah, actually, we might already be there. Like this is the area. Yeah, I think we should be able to see a reversal from here. If we see a reversal from here, then I'm gonna confirm that Bitcoin might not go to the all-time high soon. But if say we break this this, you can see this sell signal, yeah, this was printed by the alpha trend. If we're able to break this sell signal, yeah, and go above like what price is trying to do, if price this week manage to break and close and recover all this vector candle and stay above, then trust me, guys, we are going to hit maybe $67,000 anytime. We're gonna attempt it anyways, because what they are doing here is like, let me tell you guys how the market moves. You know, it moves in ways, and now we are looking at higher time frame. You know, for Bitcoin, this gives us like historic data of Bitcoin the previous year. You can see Bitcoin took this huge movement to the upside and it consolidated here, you know, and moved downward. It held at this area around $15,000. And now Bitcoin have to go and attempt to make higher highs. If Bitcoin is not able to go and make higher highs, and Bitcoin is able to break this structure, yeah, then we might get back to about $28,000 or $35,000 or or maybe 40. But we have another good news here. You can see that I drew this trend line here. Bitcoin might reverse to that trend line, hold that trend line before going back to the upside and make higher highs. So it can, you know, do like this and start playing around this area, going up, gradually going up, then boom, shoot right up to about $100,000. So from where we are right now, and Bitcoin going to $100,000, guys, it's nothing. It's nothing, you know. So we can see an all-time high for Bitcoin now. When we look at this, you know, all-time high for Bitcoin or the price of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is right now, we can see that altcoins also have there are some altcoins out there that have potential to make us really good profit. And most of these altcoins are altcoins that move alongside with Bitcoin. I know I've always mentioned that when pumps, you know, we should look at other altcoins and buy those other altcoins. But this time around, I'm saying that if you are holding any altcoins, don't buy anything more. Just hold and see when Bitcoin will retrace what will happen. You know, and when Bitcoin retrace, you see what will happen. That's when you're gonna be buying those altcoins, guys. I'm gonna tell you exactly when to buy. That's why I recommend you guys to be part of my community, my Telegram group. You know, because being part of my community is a plus. You know, it's a plus. You're gonna get what I'm buying, what I'm selling. You know, what I'm not buying, and why I'm buying what I'm buying, and why I'm gonna sell it when I'm gonna sell it. And it's important because I want us all to be able to be there when everything happens. Guys, I'm not gonna focus my analysis, go to the lower time frame, like go to the 50 minute. No, no, no. I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. I want us to look at a bigger picture. That's why we are saying, Bitcoin has invalidated the 1 hour time frame. That's I'm not gonna look at this 1 hour time frame anymore because if I zoom out, I cannot see any real data back here to back up. When price start going downward, then I'm gonna go back to the 1 hour time frame. Right now, Bitcoin has invalidated all the 1 hour time frame, so we're gonna focus our analysis more on the 4 hours time frame onward. And this is gonna be due to the fact that Bitcoin have to keep being above the 50-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame. If you keep seeing Bitcoin being above the 50-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame, then you are good to go. You don't worry. You can see each time Bitcoin gets to that 50-day moving average, and this is in relation to the Betong moving average. You can see, let's zoom back a little bit. You can see each time Bitcoin touch that moving average, it move up, it touch it, move up. And also, one important thing I want you to understand is I have this powerful indicator which is free. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to get this indicator. It helps me a lot in my analysis, and this is the alpha trend. The alpha trend, it helps me identify the trend, and each time I see price close below the alpha trend on the higher time frame, I know I'm getting out of that coin. I don't care which coin it is. I'm getting out of the coin, and when I see the alpha trend, print and a point upward. You can see Bitcoin has been moving sideways here, but the alpha trend point upward, showing us a sign that Bitcoin is going up. And knowing that Bitcoin is going up, we're going to focus on altcoins. This is the moment that we are going to start making life-changing wealth. If you have been looking for the opportunity to make wealth, guys, this is the moment. Don't listen to what people will say to you about, like, on Twitter, on this. Let's focus what the charts are telling us, what our indicators are saying to us. We follow the trend. And if the trend is our friend, then let that be that case. So let's go down to one important aspect of my analysis why I think Bitcoin is going to hit $58,000. Now, this is the total crypto market cap. Let's look at this on the 15 on the weekly time frame. Now, I drew this Fibonacci retracement tool from the top to the bottom, and look at where the golden pocket is. It's around 2.1 trillion. So we have to see the crypto market cap go to at least 2 trillion and above before we can expect some retracement. Guys, the market makers are respecting structure. They have to try and attempt to break price, or to attempt to go to make higher highs, to break structure, to go to all-time high. And if, say, price is not able to break structure, that's when we're gonna start looking at reversal. But as of now, don't sell your altcoins. Just take profit alongside as you're going up. Don't sell anything. Don't sell like someone might make you to feel like you're scared that Bitcoin is gonna hit $35,000 like that. No, don't get scared. And I'm gonna say to you guys more, like I'm gonna explain to you guys more why you shouldn't care about what people are gonna say about other altcoins. Looking at the structure of Bitcoin. Now, looking at total 2, that's all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin, you see that they are heading to the golden pocket. And the golden pocket is an area that is respected all through trading or financial chart, like whatever chart you pull out there, this golden pocket is being respected. So when you pull your tool like this from the top to the bottom, and you are seeing that price has been moving around the bottom moving average here, you see price form this divergence here. Because if we bring in the alpha trend, you're going to see that there was a divergence here. You can see this was a divergence, and meaning that price has to go and retest this high. If price is not able to go to test this high and break this high and make higher high from where we are right now, then we can say that maybe crypto can go to $15,000 like Bitcoin. But guys, we are still early. You can see this chart. This chart is forming, like, it's building in, like, it's consistent. You can see from here we saw, price move here. You can see before price it consolidated here, and price going and break and make higher highs. Price also came right down and we test this zone here. Oh boy, I love this. Guys, whenever I look at the chart and I see stuff, I just become so hyped. Like, you see, price always come to retrace where price is gonna break from. So price came here and held this zone here. Now, the next thing price have to do on this total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, is to go and retest that high. That's why you see me being bullish with Bitcoin and altcoin, and whatever people say out there, I don't listen to those noise. Now, let's look at the juicy part. These are all cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, in the entire industry. Now, what do you see? If I may ask, you can see that the alpha trend have this sell signal here, and the alpha trend has printed this buy signal here. And if we zoom out, you see that price respect structures also. And now we are going to attempt to break and make higher highs. So if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, right, you're going to see something here. You're going to see that this is our golden pocket. So we should expect the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, to go to about 800 billion, even 900 billion, before we can expect some sort of reversal back to the downside. So, having said this, guys, I'm so focused, and I want you guys to understand this. When I'm focused looking at altcoins. I want to get that altcoins. That's gonna first of all make me 2x. Then I look at the other altcoins that can make me 10x, 200x. Guys, this is the moment. So when we look at charts like this, I look at altcoins and I say, okay, which altcoins out there are doing well right now? Ethereum is doing well. If we go to the Ethereum ecosystem, we're gonna see that all the coins that are in the Ethereum ecosystem are gonna do well as well, like Arbitrum, OP. All these coins are gonna do well. Like, let's go to the Ethereum ecosystem and let's see most of these coins that are gonna do well. There. And I want to show you guys this because I want us to be buying. Like trading alongside Bitcoin, these altcoins. Now, if you go to coin market cap, this is free of charge. Just go to free of charge of chance. Go to category, right? And you're gonna search for Ethereum ecosystem. Let's go to category. I think this might take us some time. I'm not gonna do this right now. Actually, I don't want to do this. This was really part of my plan. So just go and search for Ethereum ecosystem and look at all the coins that are there that has at pump. Or you can as well go to the bubbles and look at just be on the bubbles. Look at the top 500 always, from the first 100 to the top 500 coins always, and get that move first. After that move, then you can go to like the other like low cap coins. Now let's go to other aspect of today's show. Let's look at some coins there that I was talking about on this platform. But before I go there, guys, let's also look at this chart. This is the volume profile, and looking at the volume profile, you can see here price is heading towards the value area high, which is based on the rules of the volume profile. And you can see here, there is this vector candle here that price is going to recover. Oh boy, this is amazing. Yeah. So now let's go to other coins. Let's look at, for guys, give me your coins, but I want to look at XYO. XYO. Let's look at where XYO is what it's doing. Oh boy, you can see the upside for this coin is amazing. Now, guys, let me show you something how price moves. You can see here this XIO or this XYO your coin. One of my members here will always join my show. He has always talked about this coin here. So I've gone and looked some like dig about the coin, and I think maybe it might be a good coin to means me Bitcoin. Now, looking at this coin, this is the pivot point. I'm gonna draw the Feb here, and you're gonna see what I'm saying. Now, this is the pivot point. Why? Because price has attempted this point, this area multiple times. You can see, and now price is there. And what has price done? Price pump here, and price form divergence here. You can see this is divergence. That price form here, and this was a sign that price is gonna start reversing. This was a divergence. Yeah. And if I pull the the trendino, you can see, yeah, clearly, it was a divergence here. Guys, these indicators are free of charge. You can get them. I've done a video on how to get them. And seeing this, if say I would have saw this chart before, I would have bought this coin and I would have made amazing gains. That's why I can look at the coin. I don't care what the team is saying, the community is doing, what they are building. So far as I've seen that they are in a good category, and they have like good history and they have good volume, guys. I want to buy it and make more Bitcoin short term. So looking at this, if I pull out the Feb tool right now, and take it from the top to the bottom, see that area where we are, like where we are right now, it's an area where we have to see price retrace back to this zone here around the 0.382, and looking at where we are right now, I'll say that we don't have enough data to actually look at this to really confirm, because you can see the Feb2 is far away. But if we go to the daily time frame and see, okay, what we got here on the daily time frame, if say we can get some source from this coin on the daily time frame, and if I refresh this and look at this, I'll say that price pumped and price came around this area here. This was an area of interest. So price has broken this area. Now price is sitting around this area, and where is this area? This area is around this zone here where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. So this area should be a strong support right now. And from where we are right now, I think the upside for this coin is bogus. Bogus. We can see this coin go okay, let me pull the Feb tool right now and see. I think on the daily time frame, it might be cool to see what is going to happen. Yeah. So if it breaks this zone, this is a target, yeah. Straight right away to 0.03354. And the next target is the area, the golden pocket. So look at that area if say you are investing in this coin. Now let's go to other coins that I am looking at here. And I think this is Yasmin. Let's look at Yasmin. But before we do that, let me just bring in my live show stuff here. So let's look at Yasmin. Now, Yasmin has been doing so great recently. And it's been obvious because, these are all coins that were not doing well before, looking at what was going on in the market. And suddenly, news came out and it started doing so well. But look at the pattern here. Look at what happened. This is the daily time frame. Look at what happened. Price break the Betong moving average. Price came back and retested it. Price held, and this was in confluence to this area here. Because as price break this area, price had to come back to hold this area, this zone here. And looking at that, that area corresponded with the Betong moving average. It held, and we saw a little hammer there. Then it was gonna go up from there, like spike to the upside. And the reason why you saw this coin spike is because from where we are, I'm not able to get this. Let me be able to get this. From where we are right now, you can see, let me draw this here. This was the area where price was holding strong. When price break this area, price was ever gonna shoot to the upside, like pump right up to the upside. You can see if we go back, you can see here, after this zone, the next zone was right up to the upside. You can see. So when you look at the chart, you're able to zoom out and see what is going on. Oh boy, you're gonna really enjoy the TA. I can see you guys here. I can see 5 guys are here. KLK as promised. KLK, I'm here. Sub Blast, Calvin Famulus. Hi. Zobia, Stella watching from Nigeria. Shout out to you, Stella from Nigeria. Welcome, Zebia. Okay, Penila Intense. Like, yeah, you can see I'm hype. The show is getting to my nerves. Not my nerves. My nerves are fine. But guys, I would not advise you to buy Yasmin. Looking at the way I do stuff, how I focus on analyzing the market, this is what you should do if say you want to buy Yasmin. Well, let me pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from here to the top, and I'm gonna give you the area where you're gonna buy Yasmin. Now, this is like because I'm looking at the golden pocket. Yeah, this could be where the coin might retrace to, then try to consolidate it, maybe try to go and make higher highs. If say it's not, it doesn't succeed to make higher highs, then price is gonna come back to this zone, and this is an area which is corresponding to this vector candle. You can see that there is this vector candle here. And if the price is not able to come back to come here and claim this zone, then these guys are gonna just at least take half of this vector candle, then keep on pushing price to the upside. But I think that looking at this area where price break and shoot like to the upside, I think we should come back and retest this to have a healthy chart, or maybe you just draw this trend line like this, you draw a trend line like this, and expect price to, at one point, if say Bitcoin is reversing, expect price to reverse back to that trend line. So whenever you see price reverse to that trend line, wherever you are, or like just buy the coin, right? If you see price retrace, you can even draw or like put, let's say, notification on TradingView. Guys, if say you don't have TradingView, you should go and get TradingView. I have a link below this video to get TradingView. And those of you who are part of my community, my Telegram group, my VIP group, I'm going to be teaching you guys soon how to use TradingView. It's very important. So like I can help you guys put in all the indicators that I use, so you guys can spot this yourself. I want us to build a community where all of us are trading together. Not that you come and watch me alone. We're gonna trade together and look at the market together and see at these areas where we can make good profit. That's my goal. My goal is not to come here every day and show you guys this stuff. My goal is to educate you guys so that you can see yourself and we work together to make money together. That's the goal here. There's lots of money to be made in this game. There are billions, trillions of dollars coming through the ETF, and these billions, trillions are going to flow to these altcoins that are doing so well. And looking at other altcoins, let's look at TRB. TRB haven't yet pumped. I'll tell you guys that if you want to buy a coin right now, buy TRB. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. This can go the other way around, but TRB looks somehow okay. Ever since it made this move to the offside, it has come and it has held this zone here. And looking at what I showed you guys earlier before with all those other coins, you can see from this zone, it can pump right back to about 200, so let's say about $267,000. No, $467. Guys, I'm speaking so fast and I'm just saying nonsense. Like $200,000. That's nonsense. All right. Now looking at TRB, I would say TRB looks good. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see here it's about to break the Betong moving average, and it has printed this this blue vector candle here, and this blue vector candle and the green here represent stop of volume and more volume coming on board to push the price to the upside. So it might be a way of reversal. And you can see the Trendillo has printed this zone here, and maybe we should wait for some sort of divergence, but I don't think it's going to happen anyway, because right now I think this was a divergence here, this one here. So from where we are right now, I think we should be going up, up and to recover all these vector candles here. So that's where I think price is going. When Bitcoin is cooled down, we're gonna see TRB pump to the upside. So this is one of those altcoins that you want to keep your eyes on. Keep your eyes on this bad boy. It might make you guys short them. When you see this coin pump, for example, if it pump like 10%, keep taking the profit as it goes up. Like keep taking the profit. Like if you it pump like let's say 20%, you take out 10%. If you pump again, you take out 10%. You keep taking out profit until you get to this zone here and you sell everything and you get into Bitcoin. You don't have to stay in one altcoin. There are so many of these altcoins that will present opportunities every day, every week, every month, every year for us to buy. There are thousands, millions of coins out there that we're going to look at those coins and buy. The idea is to stay away from the market when the market is going to reverse, so that these guys don't dump it on you. That's why my eyes are on the charts always to make sure I protect myself and help you guys as well at the same time to not fall prey to these guys who are going to dump the coins on you. So looking at this, I will say that TRB is a go. But now there's one coin here that I am so excited about a coin, and I think let me see if say I have it here right now. Let me just bring it here. 100, not this one. Let me see, 100. Sats. Sats, guys, Sats. Now I'm gonna like pause a little bit and go to um like my bigger lens. If when I'm talking to like you guys. All right. Now looking at this, Sats is is a Bitcoin ecosystem project, the Bitcoin ordinance, all those stuff. Sats is just a form of Satoshi. This is a project that I think is going to make us lots of profit. When it was launched, it pumped, it retraced. And now, what did I say? When we see these vector candles here forming at the bottom, it means we are ready to pump to the up. And look at the target here. Wow. Now, let's assume that you buy this coin here. Let's assume how much you can make. Let's look at the price range from where we are right now. Let's to the first level here. That's about 17%. And right up here, that's about 46%. Right? With these coins, you don't make that much. You just make like, with such coins, like you make little by little as Bitcoin pump. But now, the coins that you really make awesome gains from it are coins that are still like low cap, like our baby Dogecoin. One thing about baby Dogecoin is like baby Dogecoin is like devil advocates. It's just doing nothing, but something is happening here with baby Dogecoin that I want you guys to see. Like, pay attention to this. I drew a trend line here, and I can see that even though I don't trade trend line, guys, I don't trade trend lines, but it helps me to an extent look at what price is doing. Now, I will also say that maybe I want to draw another trend line here. I can say that, but if I draw another trend line there, what that's gonna mean to me? It's gonna mean to me that maybe I want price to break first before I buy. No, that's the wrong thing to do. Now, seeing that price left this zone, went up. This was the bottom, I think. Yes, yeah, this was the bottom, and you see price formed divergence here. Price, pumped and came back here. Price didn't break to go and retest this low, because if price would have gone back to this low, price would have made lower lows, but price didn't do that. Now price attempt to go up and price didn't succeed, and price break again, and it has been holding around this trend line. You can see each time price get to that area, price reject. And if you see you would have gotten this coin here, you would have still been in profit where we are right now, looking at this downward movement for baby Dogecoin. And now looking at the trend below, this is a clear divergence for baby Dogecoin. So I would say that if you want to really hold baby Dogecoin, like the upside for this coin is bogus. It's like this is a new word that I just created. I know I've been talking about this bogus stuff. It's like I'm gonna add it into my vocabulary. Bogus. I don't even know what bogus means. But guys, you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say for those of you who hold maybe Dogecoin that this is like it's forming a divergence that maybe it can like this coin always pump on its own, doesn't follow the market trend. That's why when Bitcoin is pumping, I would not advise you to stay with Dogecoin. No, and because I'm not scared it's gonna pump crazy. I know that it's gonna pump somehow when Bitcoin reverse, and when Bitcoin reverse, that's when Dogecoin is gonna start pumping. This is one of the coins that pump after Bitcoin has pumped, or Ethereum. So I don't. Of course, I have maybe Dogecoin, but I'm gonna buy more. I bought some. I think that was yesterday. Yeah, I bought some yesterday. I'm gonna buy more when Bitcoin has cooled down. Then I want to see if say Dogecoin move like 4%. Then I know, okay, wow, we're gonna shoot somehow to the upside. And this is gonna be. I already marked the target already. I did a video about Dogecoin, so go and check that. Now, guys, do you have any other coin that you want me to look at? Maybe I've already looked at the coin that I want to look at today. Let's see. Finally, I have another Nigerian. So make talk about Mint Layer. Let's see Mint Layer. Mint Layer. ML. I think this is ML. I think means layer is ML. Let's look at this. Okay, means layer actually. Hmm, guys, there's something also I want you to see here for those of you who are interested in trading. Now, look at means layer. Like it's forming something really important here. Look at how price is moving. Price is respecting structure, but at the same time, also the market makers they are building short here. So this bad boy has been in an uptrend ever since, let's say, which day was that? Ever since October 22nd. Yeah, this last year. Yeah, since last year. Has been in an uptrend since last year. And now we are seeing that price has closed below the alpha trend and is above the above the 50-day moving average. Meaning when you see price break above the alpha trend and stay above the alpha trend, then we should expect a spike to the upside, maybe to $1.3 or $2. I don't know. But if I look at the weekly time frame, I would say that this coin is a new coin. It was launched year last year on April in April, and maybe it will keep going up because it's a new coin. So I would say that if the coin is holding, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Because there's not much data yet to analyze on this lower time frame. Okay, looking at what I'm seeing here, I would say that maybe because Bitcoin has pumped, we can expect this coin also to pump because it has formed this vector candle here. So we should expect it to pump to about 0.80, or maybe let's see about $1. Yeah, it should pump to about $1. Then we can see pullback. Pullback, if say pullback occur, let's see if I pull this right now, the FEP 2 from the top to the bottom. Let's see where we can expect the price movement. Let's see. Yeah, so we should expect price to get to that area and to $1. So that's gonna be an area of interest. First of all, 0.80 should be a target, the first take profit target, and the next target should be $1. Right. So if say you are investing in mint layer, those areas should be an area of interest for you. If you have any other coin, guys, can share with me. Let me talk about it. Let me do analysis about it. But I'm happy that I'm able to get you guys here live with me to look at the market, look at the structure. Another coin I want to look at is ICP. ICP actually, if we look at ICP long term, let's look at ICP on the. Let's go to Mexi Global, so we can. I think Mexi usually have a good chart. Like you have historic back. Yeah, it has historic back up. So looking at this, you can see that this coin at one point has gone to $500. And let's say the worst case scenario for this coin, you can see on the monthly time frame it has formed this pump here, this green candle here. Maybe you can form another green candle and take this price to about $40 for ICP. So I think we can see ICP go to $40 in no time. This can happen like quick. This, looking at what Bitcoin has done. So we can see ICP do that. So guys, these are the kind of coins I'm looking at. And the reason why I'm looking at these coins, is because it can help me make Bitcoin instantly. Then I have little amount that I allocate to other altcoins that I know if they pump like 10x, 100x, 50x, it's gonna make me also more Bitcoin. I don't put like high amount in those really low cap. I diversify my portfolio in a way that those low cap they have what I can afford to lose, and this high cap that I know have made their name and they're gonna be here like long time. Then I can keep playing around. It's like making let's say daily passive income with this low cap coins, this medium cap coins, yeah, medium cap coins. So they are like my bread and butter every morning. So I go there and look at ways to make money every day. Now let me see what you guys got. Yeah, let me see. You guys, what are you saying? Yeah, obese Gawani says is it possible to sell and buy in desk screener and earn money in short time frame like in forex? I trade is the market move in a consolidation or I think desk screener you can buy, you can trade on desk screener. I have a desk screener tutorial, and also I'm gonna be doing a series with my VIP members on how to use desk screener, because I want us to actually make money from Solana's like Solana projects. Um, this is one of the hottest ecosystem right now. So the Solana ecosystem is so hot, and lots of people are making money from that ecosystem, that I want us also to make money from the Solana ecosystem. So I really do want us to like learn all these tricks on how to navigate the market. And Solana, we're gonna be treated like, if say we are gonna be using the DEX screener, like trading Solana, we're gonna be trading more meme coins. Solana launch more meme coins every day, and they are good ones that we can look at, like research, and then get it is instantly when it is launched, so that we can catch the next Pepe or the next bonk, on Solana chain. I think we're gonna get something like that. But actually, there are two chains that I'm really focusing on right now. I'm focusing on Solana and Bitcoin chain. That's why you see me talk so much about all these stacks, 100 sats. I'm trying to like, work more with coins that move with Bitcoin. Then I look at other coins based on the other layers that I'm like that I believe in. Like I believe in also Ethereum project like Arbitrum, OP. But right now I'm not buying Arbitrum or OP. I'm just looking at what Ethereum will do, and when Ethereum reverse, I'm gonna go now to look at those Ethereum based project, right? But right now, I know that this Ordinance project and Solana project, they move in this they move like like what I'm trying to explain. But I will do that not like maybe next week. I'm gonna start a series where we go to deck screener and we learn how to navigate the deck screeners, interface, how to buy with bots, how to execute trades, how to avoid scams, how to look for good project on deck screener. And guys, you can allocate just $5 to do this, and maybe we catch a project that make us 10x, 100x, right? And we keep doing that, and we can trade. Like guys, I traded like I think that was recently, within 5 minutes, boom, 2x. Or like whoa, So it's possible. We can really make good profit from these altcoins on these chains. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Let's see. Do I have any question here? Obisra says, thanks so much. I'm happy you joined, guys. If say you haven't yet do like, share this content. I really appreciate if say you like and share. It's gonna help the channel reach out to more people. The YouTube algorithm, it favors when viewers watch and they like. And if say you want to be part of my community, you want to get what I'm buying. I usually say this, guys. Whenever it's mentioned that be part of my community, actually, to me, it's more of like I want to get people who are actually gonna work with me, who are serious to take this ride with me, who believe in what I do and believe that they can trust my analysis and they can make money with me. That's why I have this general group. I share stuff. I don't care whether they watch it, they don't watch it, or they like, they don't like, or they are part of my my circle, yeah, like those who I want to care so much about. Of course, I care about everybody, yeah, care about everybody, but I want to care so much about people who actually can say, I'm gonna spend $5, $10, um $20 to pay for a VIP to be part of this group. Not really because I have to pay this money, but because I just want to be part of this community and be part of this group. So this is one of the reasons why I want us to have a close VIP group. And this VIP group is gonna have more, like the money you're gonna make being part of this VIP group is gonna be nothing compared to what you're gonna be paying in the future. That like we can take a day, a week, and make money that you're gonna pay for this VIP for the next 30 years. Yeah, so it's just about being part of a place where you can really say, okay, you are a member, you are a paid member, you are a registered member, and you have this or that. So that's just the idea. That's why I recommend you guys, if you're watching me and you're not part of my VIP group, I said that if I see 10 people, I'm gonna give free membership VIP